Hey everyone. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to change the font for your entire Google Slides presentation using the full 2026 setup. This is one of the best ways to update your design quickly because instead of changing each slide one by one, you can adjust everything from the theme editor and apply it across your whole deck instantly. So first, open your browser, go to google.com, sign into your account, and open Google Slides. Once the dashboard loads, open the presentation you want to update. When your file opens, go to the top menu and click Slide, then choose Edit Theme. This opens the Theme Builder panel where all your global design settings live. On the left, you'll see a list of layouts, and at the very top is the Master Layout. Click this layout first. Any changes you make here will automatically apply to nearly every slide in your presentation. Now highlight the title text and change the font from the toolbar to whatever style you want. Modern, handwritten, bold, or any font you've added to your Google Workspace. Do the same for the body text. These two changes alone update most of your presentation instantly. After that, scroll through the smaller layout slides in the sidebar. Some layouts may have unique font settings, so update those as needed to keep everything consistent. When you're happy with the design, click the X in the top right corner to exit the theme builder. Your entire slide deck will refresh with the new fonts applied. Finally, scroll through your slides and check for any text boxes that were manually formatted earlier. Those won't update automatically, so you can fix them individually. And that's it. That's how to change the font across your entire Google Slides presentation using the 2026 setup. It keeps your slides clean, consistent, and professionally designed with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.